Then semen, hair, buccal mucosa. These are all the samples from which DNA is basically taken. Okay, doctor, give me one confident answer. One more, Jewel from PGI May exam. Hormone replacement. If you give HRT, what are the complications which can arise? Who will give me correct answer? Yes, doctor. A and E is a proposal. Shankar Bangalore proposes A, D and also E. Do you agree with Shankar that decreased endometrial cancer also is a theory about hormone replacement therapy? Estrogens are known to promote endometrial cancer, no? Okay, not D. Okay, Shankar says not D, sorry sir. Slip ho gaya. Magar answering in NEET exam, you have to be careful while clicking. Oh, I think review option is there. You can, before final submission, you can always review. Okay, doctor. Hari Chinta proposes A and E. That's right. A, C and E. पेट का कैंसर को भी कम हो जाएगा, प्रोटेक्शन मिल जाएगा एस्ट्रोजन लेने से. सो डॉक्टर, रिप्लेसमेंट थेरेपी के वजह से endometrial, breast cancer, venous thromboembolism, all the three risk will increase is what you need to fundamentally remember. Now, by what time deciduous teeth will be finished? By age 6. They won't be staying until 14 unless the child is a vampire. So, it won't be there. Now, coming to the MTP. If you want to do MTP, 12 to 20 weeks, you must call another colleague and split your fees with her. You can't do alone. So you finally do alone, 2 doctors are required. Livor mortis is the discoloration which occur after the death on the dependent parts of the body is called as livor mortis. When you call brain death, brainstem reflexes absent. In the absence of barbiturate toxicity, always check for the barbiturate intoxication before declaring brain death, very important rule. Then what is the power of normal eye? 60 diopters, very standard question. Okay, doctor, give me one confident answer. Risk factor for ectopic pregnancy is what? Multiple answers. A, C and D is a proposal we are getting from Nampally. Tubal sterilization, IUCD and OCP, ectopic pregnancy ke liye. Multiparity is not a risk factor. Let me see. A and C is an answer I am getting. Tirupati proposes B. Infertility also as a risk factor for ectopic pregnancy. I am not saying treatment of infertility. I think they mistaken for treatment of infertility. I am saying straightforward infertility, is it a risk factor? Anuja proposes ACD, Manu says ACD, Shravya says only CD. A, B, C. Tirupati gets the big clap. Ready for even if APPG is tomorrow also, our Tirupati students are ready, that means. Very good, doctor. So then all the risk factors. This is a straight question of the PGI May exam. Now, ophthalmoscopy, direct May 15 times magnification is what you basically expect. Then direct ophthalmoscopy may erect image, magnification more than indirect, and a wide area of the fundus with least magnification can be seen in hypermetropes. They are all the true statements. Ishihara's isochromatic charts, they are called as, which are typically used for testing the color vision, is what need to be remembered. Coming to the retinoscopy, hypermetropes में किस तरफ जाएगा, myopes में किस तरफ जाएगा image. Typically myopes display against reflex, which means direction of the movement of the light observed from the retina is different from the direction which the light beam is swept. Hypermetropes display with movement is what need to be remembered. Dark room examination with pupillary dilation is a way to provoke, simplest way to provoke raised intraocular pressure in case of the acute congestive closure glaucoma. Congenital dacryocystitis mein what will you tell the mother? Massage karo eye, that is the best thing, patient will recover. Give me one confident answer, doctor. Left gastric vein drains into, single best answer, shooter with a Solomon's knife on your neck. What is your answer? First 5 questions in NEET PG will be like this only. Left, probably you prepared for right gastric vein because you want to become a right eye ophthalmologist super specialist. So tell me, left gastric vein drains into. Yes. Everybody confidently answering it as C. Karnool, Shiva, Shravya, Tirupati, Manu, Manvi, everybody say C. You also agree? B, doctor. Nobody said B, Secunderabad said B. Our guns of Gandhi Medical College. One big clap to them. This is one question, doctor, which is going to haunt you in the tomorrow's exam. No way that you can offer to do a mistake. The left and right gastric veins drain directly into the portal vein is what need to be remembered. The short gastric vein and the left gastroepiploic veins join the splenic, and the right gastroepiploic vein joins the superior mesenteric vein. So this is what you need to remember. So I am finding some more very good e-learning tools. Generally when we attend coaching, when we sit in a crowd of 400-500 students, somebody will be listening music, somebody will be doing Facebook, somebody will be tweeting somebody, teacher will be teaching. So it is like a jantar mantar. In our sessions what I planned is, give some homework to be solved before the student logs into the live class. So that if he doesn't prepare also, that homework will take 10-15 minutes, just like school children and teacher relationship. Then there is a unit test, there is an interactive session, there is a chance for answering, asking questions, sharing with the classmates in the online community. End of the session you must at least learn something, or at least get that enthusiasm to learn. If as a teacher we can't provoke it, then that means we are converting adult learning into a pediatric form. So that is the idea, but learning is learning. It is disinteresting, it is boring, it is frustrating, it is painful to hold so many facts, but still we can make it interesting. Because once upon a time learning is very difficult process, but with evidence based learning, you type mid-diastolic murmur in YouTube, you have that lub-dub sound in the MDM. You want to learn heart sounds, you have it available on the net. You want to practice lung sounds, you have available on the net. You want to see suddenly a patient of Kawasaki disease, go to YouTube and type Kawasaki disease, you have a baby of Kawasaki disease available on the YouTube. Earlier days we need to imagine a lot. Kawasaki wo hoga, Kawasaki ye hoga, that Amitabh Bachchan's dialogue is there, no? Oh hase to aisa hoga, to oh dekhe to aisa hoga, kind of a thing. Oh kaisa hoga, every case is available. You want to see an appendectomy, you can see. You want to see cesarean, you can see. So that is the reason all gadgets are available on the internet, luckily. So that's let's make the learning a fun and enjoyable. Now, which is not an anti-glaucoma drug? Prednisolone is not. Brimonidine, dorzolamide, which is a carbonic anhydrase inhibitor, and timolol. Now, doctor, CMV infection mein what will you give? Ganciclovir is the one which is preferred. Now, referred pain to the ear, from where will it come from? It is the glossopharyngeal, which will be broadcasting the carcinoma tongue's pain, is what need to be remembered. Even so I leave to you in the literature the various nerves and the referred pain from various locations. We use 512 Hertz tuning fork basically. Then Calories test is basically stimulation of which semicircular canal is what need to be remembered. Lateral semicircular canal is what you have to remember. Then glomus jugulare tumor. It is the females who are most often affected because of it. Then coming to CSF rhinorrhea, it is a cribriform plate fracture which lead to the CSF rhinorrhea to occur. Atrophic rhinitis, we use Young's operation classically. Then anthracoinal fistula, polyp, the modern buzzword is endoscopic sinus surgery is considered to be the treatment of choice. Now comes the point of break. Which structures are involved while resecting the free edge of the lesser omentum? Who will give me the correct answer? One more jhalak from the PGI Chandigarh exam. One confident answer about the lesser omentum's free edge. Yes, doctor. A, B, basic anatomy. One confident, you initiate some answers. Shiva proposes A, B, E confidently. Portal vein, hepatic artery, common bile duct is according to Shiva. Anuja agrees along with Karnul. Manu disagrees with the B. He says only A and E. Raju also says A, B, E. What is your answer? Shall we open up? A, B, E is correct, which is a confident answer given by most of you. Portal vein, hepatic artery, common bile duct are typically there along the right free margin is what need to be remembered.